Hello everyone, welcome to the Paw Protect Pet Insurance platform by InsureNest. One major challenge in the pet insurance industry is that customer onboarding, support, and claim servicing can still take time and require multiple manual interaction. Pet owners often need to share pet details, wait for support responses, and go through multiple steps during onboarding and claim processes. Because of this, the overall customer experience can become slower and less convenient. InsureNest is solving this problem by creating a digital pet insurance experience powered by automation and conversational AI. Now, let's see how this works practically. So, this is the main Paw Protect pet insurance platform. From here, pet owners can explore coverage, access support, and manage pet insurance service digitally. Here, we can see simple and customer friendly pet insurance journey. The goal of this platform is to make pet insurance faster, easier, and more accessible for pet owners. Here, we can also see important customer and operational insights such as claim paid, customer ratings, average claim payout time, and total pets protected. This helps build customer trust and transparency. Now, here customer can select their pet category such as dog, cat, rabbit, or other pets. Let me select dog as an example. Here, customer can also upload a pet image. This helps simplify the onboarding process and improve customer experience. Now, I will generate a pet insurance quote practically. So, as we can see, the platform has successfully generated the pet insurance quote. So, as we can see, the platform has successfully generated the pet insurance quote. The system automatically generates coverage and pricing details instantly based on the pet information provided. This helps improve customer experience, reduce onboarding time, and make the insurance journey much faster and more convenient. Here, customer can also view important policy details such as coverage amount, premium, plans benefit, and deductible information. This provides better transparency and helps customers choose the most suitable insurance plan for their pet. Now, let's see how we can support pet insurance customers using conversational AI and chatbot assistant. Hello, I want pet insurance for my dog. So as we can see, with the help of the chatbot, customers can quickly receive policy guidance, support and servicing assistance without long manual conversations. This makes the customer journey much smoother and faster. Now, let's also see a pet insurance claim example using the chatbot. So, with the help of the chatbot, insurers can provide faster support, simplify customer servicing, and improve the overall pet insurance experience. So, this is how InsureNest is helping insurers modernize pet insurance journeys through digitally onboarding, AI powered support, chatbot assistance, and simplified claims experience. To conclude, Hope Protect by InsureNest helps insurance company deliver smarter, faster, and more customer-friendly pet insurance experience through automation and conversational AI. If your organization is looking to modernize pet insurance onboarding and customer servicing, feel free to connect with InsureNest to explore how Paw Protect can be implemented within your insurance operations. Thank you.